Many people wonder if frozen foods have a place in the traditional Mediterranean eating pattern. The image is often fresh produce and just caught fish. But the reality is, modern life requires practical solutions, and for budget-conscious home cooks, frozen foods can be incredibly useful. Frozen fruits and vegetables are typically picked at their peak ripeness. They are then quickly frozen, which helps lock in many of their nutrients. This means frozen produce can be just as nutritious, if not more so, than fresh items that have traveled long distances or sat on shelves. Frozen options are often more affordable than fresh, especially out of season. They also reduce food waste because you can use only what you need and store the rest. Convenience is another major plus. Pre-cut frozen vegetables or fruits save significant prep time in the kitchen. Frozen fish and poultry are readily available protein sources. While the core ingredients are great, be mindful of added sauces or seasonings in some frozen products. These can add unwanted sodium, sugar, or unhealthy fats. Always check the ingredient list. Look for plain frozen fruits, vegetables, fish, or poultry without added sauces or breading. Texture can sometimes differ from fresh, but this is often less noticeable in cooked dishes like stews, soups, or casseroles. Choose plain frozen items like berries, spinach, broccoli, peas, shrimp, or chicken breasts. These are versatile and fit perfectly into Mediterranean meals. Use them in your favorite recipes. Add frozen vegetables to pasta sauces, blend frozen fruit into smoothies, or bake frozen fish fillets with herbs and olive oil. Frozen foods can be a convenient, nutritious, and budget-friendly way to follow the Mediterranean diet. They help ensure you always have healthy ingredients on hand.